Hi, this is for you ladies with a business. An intimate adventure into you and your business is here to embody who you are meant to be, powerfully and unapologetically, to claim your greater purpose in your business with confidence and clarity, to believe in yourself and have a super focused plan that you're excited to get working on. And after 2 years of planning, it's here. Hi, I'm Shari Molchan, and you are getting the first look at Stepping Up Live, a 3-day workshop with myself and Miki Strong. And actually, even before we officially launched, we are both so excited and ready to step up for you. And over the course of 3 days, it will be September 27th to 30th as the first one. You will know who you are, you will know where you're going, and you'll know how to get there. Key. This is going to be a workshop like you've never even been to or heard of. There's going to be deep self-discovery, practical work sessions, focus coaching, and an actionable plan. And the content is the best of our life's collective work. And we evolve every year also. But our goal is to help women own their value and step into the life of your most heartfelt desires. There's going to be hot seat coaching, which is going to be fierce and loving and focused and revealing, because we see you, we hear you, we hold your highest vision with you as you claim it. You will surround yourself with a community of women over the 3 days that will bring their own wisdom, intelligence, and support. Friendships will be formed and alliances will be made, and most importantly, magic will happen. All the information is at steppinguplive.com. Head on over there. We do have limited participants, so please, if this calls you in any way, step up and join us. It's going to be fabulous. And I hope I see you there. One more thing. Don't put this off. Do it for you. All right? Big love. Cheers.